Hey guys, and I'm doing the no talking challenge. And this is gonna be so easy. Okay, I'm gonna take a lot of minutes. Ready, set, go.
All right, Cecilia Vega leading us off on a Friday night. Cecilia, thank you. President Trump at every stop today expressing his anger at the scope of the special counsel's investigation. And today we heard that same frustration from an unlikely source. The judge at a hearing for former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort, his case involving tax and bank fraud charges. That judge also asking about the scope of the Mueller investigation, something the president then pounced on. Here's ABC's Chief Justice correspondent Pierre Thomas tonight.
Former Trump campaign chairman Paul Manafort arriving in federal court today to try to get this one case thrown out. Inside the courtroom, Judge T.S. Ellis asking what the special counsel's indictment of Manafort for alleged financial crimes has to do with Mueller's primary mission, investigating whether Trump associates colluded with the Russians, Trump's prosecution or impeachment. Ellis told prosecutors, "That's what you're really after." Ellis, a Reagan appointee, said Robert Mueller's indictment of Manafort is really intended to get Manafort to, quote, sing or become a cooperating witness. The government arguing the special counsel's mandate includes looking at Manafort's financial work overseas. Several hours later on stage, the president gave his verdict, praising that judge.
Judge T.S. Ellis, who is really something very special, I hear from many standpoints.
The president even quoting directly from the judge's remarks in court.
How does this have anything to do with the campaign, the judge asked? Let me tell you, folks, we're all fighting battles, but I love fighting these battles. It's really a disgrace.
And Pierre Thomas with us live tonight as well. And Pierre, the judge did not rule today on whether Manafort's case will move forward. And despite what he said in court there, judges often do this. They don't let you know it could still go either way.
That's right, David. Sources tell us Judge Ellis is often colorful and combative in court, but they say his challenges are not always a sign of how he ultimately rules, David.
All right, Pierre Thomas with us tonight as well. Pierre, thank you. We do have breaking news. Word of an earthquake a short time ago, another one. That volcano on the Big Island of Hawaii. Officials say it is an immediate risk to life tonight. Mount Kilauea sending up ash and pouring lava down its sides. That red-hot lava emerging in neighborhoods, bubbling up and spewing toxic gas tonight. In fact, this evening, hundreds of people there have been ordered to evacuate and were just told that the air in their neighborhoods is too dangerous to breathe. ABC's Marcy Gonzalez in Hawaii tonight.
Tonight, fountains of lava engulfing neighborhoods on Hawaii's Big Island after multiple new eruptions from the Kilauea volcano. Flames and lava shooting 100 feet in the air, forcing at least 1,800 people from their homes with just minutes to spare.
We could hear the lava exploding right from the house. And so, is the house going to still be there when we go back over there?
The actual volcano crater miles away from the vents in the ground where the eruptions are exploding.
My house is on stilts, so the whole house actually shook.
Officials say at least 2 homes have been destroyed. Witnesses comparing the sound of the eruption to a jet engine.
We were half a block away from where it was happening, but you could definitely feel the heat, you could feel the power of the eruption.
A line of lava spewing from a crack in the earth, spilling out onto the streets. Plumes of thick pink smoke rising high above the island. The smell of toxic sulfur dioxide and burning trees hanging in the air.
All around here is sulfur smoke. I think we're one street over from the lava right now.
Officials say the air quality is an immediate
Well,
threat.
okay guys, that is a lot of no talking. And that's enough for the no talking challenge. And never mind. Bye, guys.
Just stunning images coming from Marcy. We know there have been hundreds of
Hit that subscribe button and check on me.
Obviously, don't know how long these eruptions will continue.
I like this. Bye, wreck. Nope, not bye, wreck. Who am I kidding? But it's about burning. Okay. Hit that subscribe button and check on me. Anyways. Bye. So easy, huh?